Hello everyone, welcome to the 13th tutorial of Introduction to ArcGIS. Today we will talk about heat map in ArcMap. The table of content will be IDW, kernel density and the heat map. Here is the data we have. First, we have to determine which area has the most cholera deaths. So we'll interpolate it. We'll go to Spatial Analysis tool and the interpolation we will choose the IDW. In the IDW, we will input feature as the cholera deaths. We will the value field as count, set the output value. Next we will go to the environment, and in the environment as the processing extent we will select the snow map. When the IDW is done, we will go to its property. In the property we will select the color lamp as the green to red for better understanding. Here the red means more death. If we zoom it, we can see this point has the more and most death of cholera because it is more red. Next, we will go to the kernel density and the input value as cholera depth. We will field as count. We will select the output. And in the environment, we will select the processing extent as the snow map and the snap raster as the IDW. When we have done that, we will go to its property and select the color ramp as green to red. When we have done that, the heat map is processed. And this is the pump related and close to the most of the death. Thank you very much. This was all for today.